Welcome to our next lecture. Theta is the most important sensitivity factor and is known by most traders. Theta is the time factor in the option premium. This time factor moves towards zero as expiration approaches. Theta is the amount the premium will decrease every next day till the time of expiration. It also behaves differently for different strike price. Theta is nearly always negative for both options and positive for sold options because time decay erodes the option value as time to expiration diminishes. Assume the price of a call option is $10 and its theta is minus 0.05. Then the next day option price will lose 0.05 of time value. It means 10 multiply minus of 0.05 is equal to minus $0.5. So the next day option price will decrease to $9.5 from $10. So the buyer of option lose $0.5 every day and seller of option will profit of $0.5 every next day. The negative value of theta indicates that as time gets closer to expiration, time decay increases. Assuming 1 month expiry, theta for deep out of the money and out of the money options decreases faster in the first half of the expiry and almost nothing left for the last 10 days. So we shouldn't buy deep out of the money options. However, at the money options behave exactly opposite. Theta decreases faster for at the money options in the second half of expiry because speed increases exponentially for at the money options as expiration approaches. So we should exit from a long position a few days before expiration if we have at the money options. Option sellers are the one who want to see the theta of options decreasing because this is what makes money for them. Most sellers sell out of the money options at the starting of the expiration and buy back a few days before expiration. As we know, option premium is made up of two components that are intrinsic value and time value. Look at these three call options. Suppose the stock ABC is trading at $96. As the stock is currently trading at $96, so the 99 call is out of the money, 96 call is at the money and 93 call is in the money. The premium of 96 call is $2. The intrinsic value is 0 because the strike price and spot price are same. So the $2 is the only time value and its intrinsic value is 0. The premium of 93 call is $4.1. Intrinsic value is the difference between the strike and spot price, that is 96 minus 93 is equal to $3. So the time value will be $1.1. The premium of 99 call is $0.6. As the call is out of the money, intrinsic value is 0, so 0.6 is only the time value. Out of the money and at the money options do not have any intrinsic value and only have time value. So we should buy these options for a long expiry and exit the long position from these options before 1/4 of expiry as time decay accelerates at its fastest during the last days of expiry. It doesn't mean that we should sell options because of factor time decay. Many people successfully sell out of the money options every month and collect a decent premium. But that is a part of strategies that we will study in our next sections. Selling naked options means exposing yourself to an unlimited risk profile. So, we should sell out of the money options only for hedging our trade. What about in the money options? Deep in the money options have very low time value and theta's negative effect for these options is automatically low. So, we should buy short-term deep in the money options. These are the Greeks for Microsoft Corporation. Currently, the stock is trading at $97.6. So, 98 call is the at the money call and you can see here the delta is 0.51. 97 call is the in the money call and 96 call is the deep in the money call. Here 98.5 call is the out of the money call. You can see these are the gamma values and the gamma is high for these at the money options. If we see theta, theta are negative for calls and these are the puts. Theta is also negative for put because there is a time decay for both the call and put options. Here also theta is highest for at the money options. You can see here also theta is highest for at the money put options. As at the money call becomes out of the money, delta decreases and this is gamma. Gamma also decreases. Theta also decreases. You can see that theta for in the money options is very low. So in the money options should never be sold because they have very low time value. And when we sell options, we sell only the time value. This was the discussion about theta. Thanks for watching the lecture.